Hello everyone, I'm JK from Nifty Auto Service. I've been in the automotive line ever since I graduated from NTU about 15 to 16 years ago. At Nifty Auto Service, we partner with LIQUI MOLY and use their full range of products across all our services, including our detailing department. We believe in using the best quality products and have the same focus on preventive maintenance that LIQUI MOLY does. If you'd like to know more about what we do, please feel free to contact us and I'll be more than happy to share with you and partner with you on your automotive ownership journey. Cheers.